For the Gambia, our homeland, we strive and work and pray that all may live in unity, freedom, and peace each day. Let justice guide our actions towards the common good and join our diverse people to prove man's brotherhood. We pledge our firm allegiance, our promise we renewed. Keep us great God of nation, to the Gambia ever true. Gambia is the smallest country in West Africa and most peaceful country in West Africa. That's why it's called the Gambia, the Smiling Coast. It has a total population of people of 2.5 million people with great ethnic groups and cultures, traditions, languages like the Jola, the Mandinka, the Fulani, the Serere, the Manjaco, the Karoninka, the Mankanya, all in the same country, sitting peacefully, respects with harmony. Gambia is the country that tourists do visits, go to safaris, go to local places, cultural places, and museums. We have beautiful big sites, beautiful hotels too, where one can go and enjoy your holiday with your families, relatives, friends, with your spouse. Gambia is